Well, YouTube, if you guys like Lakewood box fans, how much do you guys like really rare Lakewood box fans? I don't even think there's a video of one of these on YouTube yet. This is a Lakewood model X-22. Not an XC20, an X-22. It's got a 2-speed General Electric motor, but as you guys can see, it's got 5 speeds and no off. I don't know how this fan's wired, honestly, but I don't trust it at all. That's why I don't leave this fan plugged in. There's no wire nut on there. There is 2 wire nuts on there. That's wired in some ghetto fashion. There's a wire up there. It's not connected to anything, and I don't even know, man. But the motor smells really hot when it runs on that slow speed, so I hardly ever use the fan. Whenever I do use it, I use it on that highest click where it runs the fastest, because I think that's low, not high. I don't think that's high because it doesn't run quite as fast as these things usually do. It's got the Fireball motor in it, like a lot of these older ones did. It has the same motor that the XC20 did. Well, the old XC20s, the newer ones had the 3-speed Westinghouse motor, I believe. This fan is going to need some serious restoration. It's supposed to be gray when it was new. It's painted black. The grills have been painted silver. They're supposed to be chrome, but they've been painted silver. I'm going to paint them white, and I'm going to paint the fan either back gray the way it's supposed to be, or I'm thinking about painting it green. I'm not sure yet. I am going to paint the motor back gray. That's what color the fan is supposed to be, because you can see it still is up there. And you can see they painted right over the rust. And unfortunately, they painted over the switch thing. Right there. X-22. Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Co. It originally had a 2-speed push button with high, low, off. This thing draws 3.7 amps. But I've actually put it on an amp meter, and when it runs on that slow speed, it draws 5 amps when it's on that slow speed. But when it's on the fastest speed, it only draws 2 amps. So that low speed, I think, is low and high together. And that's why it runs so slow. Plus, it makes a weird humming when it runs on that speed. I just put it out there. The last guy was running great. I actually decided to leave it installed there over the wash tub for us. It's an excellent addition to the room. It really is. It works amazing. So yeah, this fan's going to get completely gone through. I'm going to very lightly try and get that stuff off with some nail polish remover. See if I can get the paint off that sticker. And then the fans can get all painted and everything. But anyway, that's it for this video. So until my next video, thank you guys for watching. And as usual, have yourselves a great day.